In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Calendly booking form to your website in just 5 minutes. This is a fantastic way to streamline appointments and manage your schedule efficiently without any complicated steps. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to head over to calendly.com. Once you're there, locate the login button, usually situated at the top right corner of the page. Click on it and you'll be prompted to enter your email address. Go ahead and type that in, then click continue. You'll need to follow this by entering your password before clicking continue again. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the Calendly homepage. Here, you'll see a list of your event types. Choose the event type that you want to embed on your website. This is key because it determines what kind of interactions your visitors will have when they view your booking form. With your chosen event type, look around for a share button. This will lead you to a selection of sharing options. Click on Add to Website. Now this is where you have some choices to make regarding the style of your embedded form. For today's demonstration, we'll go with the inline embed. This option allows the form to seamlessly fit into your website's design, providing a smooth user experience. Click continue to proceed to the next step and you'll see a copy code button. Hit that and the necessary code snippet for the embed will be copied to your clipboard. Next, head over to your website. For today's example, we'll be using Google Sites. Once you're signed into your site, navigate to the area where you'd like to place the booking form. This could be a page specifically for scheduling, or maybe even your home page. Once there, click on Embed, and from the options that appear, choose Embed Code. In the window that pops up, paste the code you copied from Calendly. Double check to ensure everything looks correct, and then click Next. After this step, you'll want to select Insert to add the form to your page. After the form is inserted, you might want to make a few adjustments. You can resize or reposition the form to ensure it aligns perfectly with your website's layout. Tweak these settings as you see fit to provide a polished look. And there you have it, your Calendly booking form is now part of your website, making scheduling a breeze for you and your visitors. With just a few simple steps, you've ensured your site is both professional and user-friendly. Thanks for watching, and I hope you're now confident in embedding your own Calendly booking form. Feel free to share this video with anyone you think might need a little help setting up their own online scheduling.